everybody some incredible tools around email marketing and how they can grow their business. And we gave some insights into how to market yourself during these difficult times and solved a few world problems while we were at it.
Okay, so reality check number 1 is just going to be assess your business phase. Do you have a validated product? Meaning, do you have demonstrated need and proven sales with what you have in your hand? If it's a course, have you already sold it offline? Have you done enough research to understand exactly what the market is asking for? And is your problem actually going to solve people's problem in a format that they want, need, and will tell their friends about? That's basically what I'm saying as far as a coaching product. Validated product in terms of e-com sales, maybe like $500 or $1,000 worth of sales would probably prove that you've got demonstrated market need. If you do not have that, that is your first benchmark that you have to hit. If you do have that, then you have to develop your offer, which is like save 15% off of this or get free shipping if you're in e-com. If you're in coaching, it would probably be like a 3 or a 5-day mini workshop built off of your current course that you're selling. Once you have those things, this is going to be effective for you. Yeah, that's pretty much what I just ran you through. Let's see here. Reality check number 2, the truth about growing your business. This is my big thing. It's not just one system, it's an ecosystem, okay? Like, you do need landing pages. You do need email sequences. You know, I know there are so many trainings out there that say, my name is, Fred, and I didn't have a website or an offer or any of this stuff, and now I'm living on an island, with all the, with a 4-hour work week. If that happened, that probably happened because they had a brand new industry, so relatively low competition, high need for an offer, or high need for whatever they were offering, and they were appealing to an audience that had income. Like, you don't want to be in that place. That's really not a great place to be in for long-term business. It's not just email. It's not just a landing page. It's not just ads. It's not just offers. It is truly everything when you have ads running to your website. They are the conveyor belts that are bringing people to your digital property. You need those, okay? You do need website. You need at least just a landing page that identifies with your target audience, that has an offer on a quality page. So that usually means having a form at the top part of the page or having a button, and then you're identifying the pain points of your audience, and then you're saying, hey, this program will meet your needs, or this product will meet your needs. Then you have email. Okay, so email is actually where a large part of sales happen, and it's overlooked all the time. It's invisible. It's kind of like an unsung hero. We're going to talk about that today. That's a really good point, which is actually why if you are creating pop-up offers on mobile, you want to create what's called a flyout instead of a pop-up. Flyouts actually take up less percentage of the mobile screen. The pop-up offer is something that you want to make sure stands out. You do need to name your offer. You need to ask for a name and an email address at the very least. You have to get them to agree to terms, and you need a privacy policy on that, linked privacy policy on that pop-up. Your main source of recurring revenue is going to be in what I call the big 3: your welcome sequence, your abandoned cart sequence, and your post-purchase sequence. The reason why is because you are most likely to capture a sale off of someone who has just met you, someone who has almost given you money, so that's your abandoned cart, and someone who has already given you money. One of the most best places to do recurring sales is with people who have just given you money. In your welcome sequence, this is going towards people who have just met you, brand new friends, okay? If you're a course creator, what I want from you is to have 3 emails to be sent out, spaced out by a day. I want a day 1 video, I want a day 2 video, and I want a day 3 video from you. That's 3 emails. You can outsource this really easily. In your emails, what I want to see is welcome, you're in my mini course. Here's video 1. I want it to be a small paragraph, maybe no more than 5-7 lines. Tell them what they're going to get or what problems you're about to solve with your video. Have a photo and a button. Ta-da! simple. Let's talk about easy recurring revenue. I want you to do that for each day. In the PS of the second day, I want you to say, hey, we've got an offer coming soon. Keep your eyes out for it. You're not going to want to miss it. And then on day 3, I want you to present the offer and say, hey, here's our video. Here are the problems we're going to solve. This is what you're going to learn today. Don't miss this opportunity to solve the bigger problem that your entire course addresses. If you're in e-com, the way that you would do this would be a welcome video. Give them whatever it was that you promised them, a 10% off discount code, a buy one, get one discount code, a free shipping discount code, whatever that was. Day 2, treat that as a little bit of a get to know you email. Bring them to your social channels, show them one of your best performing products. And then day 3, close that offer. Tell them, hey, the offer window is expiring. You better get your sale in soon. Okay, email number 4, I'll switch to an e-com example, but abandoned cart. Okay, the second group of people that is the most likely to give you money is the people that add to cart and then walk away, and that's why it's called an abandoned cart. And it's triggered by someone coming to your cart, someone adding their course to the cart and attempting to fill out part 1 of a 2-part form, or in Shopify, it's when you actually add a cart but then abandon the cart. And basically what you want to have here is 2 emails that remind them of what it was that they were about to buy, and just let them know, hey, this is your last chance, or this is, we noticed that you were on your way to purchase this. Our carts actually digitally don't live forever, so this is your 24-hour window to actually get this product that you were looking at. Email number 5, post-purchase email. The most important thing to do when people give you money is to deliver. Do not leave them hanging, for the love of God. This is a place to reinforce this new relationship. You have just had a relationship with a new customer where they have given you money, and it is now time for you to deliver on what you've promised. It is also a great time to reinforce that relationship and say, congratulations, you're in our club, you're in our society. Or if you're a shopper, it's like the post-purchase email is like, hey, you are going to love this product. It is going to be amazing for you. You reinforce that, and then you say, here's what's next. So if you're in coaching, you want to give them access into whatever it is that product is. If it's a download, if it's details, login details on how to get in the site. Your next steps, whoever is watching right now, if you do not have these things in practice right now, I want to challenge you to implement a pop-up on your site that has an offer. So get my, even if it's a download, get my tool, get my course, join my mini course, which leads into your big course, save 10% or get free shipping. Luxury brands, that's probably the right aspect for you, is a free shipping, because they hate to discount. Or you could do it like get this gift by buying. If you're not converting at least 8% off of that, then you have more homework to do. 8% would be like the minimum of what I would want for you.